Maybe some burglars look for cameras around the house. But would they suspect this picture frame? Probably not. This right here is a photo frame and a secret security camera with a 1-year built-in battery supply. So as per usual, unboxing. But just before, outside the box, we see the Wi-Fi signal, micro SD card, and motion alerts. 100% wire-free, night vision included, not full HD, which is 720p. That's good enough for a lot of people. All right. You got the quick start guide, warranty policy, some advertisement, smart locks, cleaning cloth, photo frame. Pretty good weight to it, actually. Micro USB cable with an angle, mounting hardware, and the USB micro SD card reader. Okay, so here we have it. Photo frame looks a little bit old school. Frame looks to have nothing out of the ordinary. So only I and whoever else you told that this is a secret video camera. Camera lens is actually in one of these little pinholes. You can see it right there. Now, to a person who just comes up to it, they're not going to pay attention and notice that at all, as they're going to be concentrating onto the photo frame right here, right? There's the hanger, and this kickstand will pop out, so it'll stand up by itself, as you can see. Does it work this way? It's a little tilted like this, but obviously we want it to be able to use the front camera, open like this. Now we take this off, but there's the reveal of the internals. We have the little camera, we have the motion sensor right in there, and then we have the infrared lights here for night vision. On the side we have the micro USB port, a reset, and the SD card slot. This comes with its own, and included is a 32 gigabyte. And the next thing to do is finally get the application. Since this is Wi-Fi, you're going to download Yi app, and we're going to tap to add a device. The one we have is the photo frame. There's a wall camera clock, indoor camera, and other cameras. So in the frame, so my experience would be your experience. I'm going to press and hold until we see it blinking, and we said red LED is blinking. Now we have to scan the QR code that is inside of here. Log into your Wi-Fi. So this process is configuring. Okay, after all the beeping, it's going to give you the camera info where you want to name it. We can go into the app. So we're clicking onto that. It's going to give me the actual visual you can see there. I'm waving at. Now the battery indicator is on the top, Wi-Fi signal, and there's also this button there to press record. There's the talking, and then hear what's happening in the room. Take a snap picture of whatever it's seeing. And then we can resize to see the whole entire thing. The video camera doesn't seem to be super high quality. I didn't expect too much of it, but turn off lights?
Sure, turning off 3 lights.
So there we go. Automatically, the night vision. Night vision is not gonna be a problem if I move it out and look at it this way. If we set this somewhere, you're not gonna have an issue seeing what's happening. Let's go back and look at it. So we can add even more cameras and go to the settings, and the settings gives you living room, devices info, device name, so that's pretty much it. The motion sensor is already on, so if I move around, it's gonna tell you. Motion detection right in here. If I turn it off, it won't be beeping me. You can turn it on sensitivity, low or high. You can give it a date of when you want it individually, so you can time it, start time and stop, and then recording duration. How long do you want it to record for? We got mirror flip. So if you hang the frame upside down, you can obviously flip it. And if you raise your right hand, it shows on the left, goes to the mirror, and now it becomes on the right side to see. Power frequency, 60 Hertz or 50, we'll leave it on 60. Volume setting, restore factory settings, and that's pretty much it. Let's get out of here and go into the motion alert. Doesn't show us the alert of what it was. Here, let's go. So there's the messages. Obviously it's being stored on the SD card. It just detected my motion again, so that's why it's beeping. Device name, so that's pretty much it. Go to the next one. If I turn it off, it won't be beeping me. You can turn on sensitivity. You can even add more if you have more frames. So, how does it look after we put these on? Now there is a right way to put this on. You'll see it. Just snap it all into place, and right away I can see myself just fine. And here we go, brushing left and right. And hey Google.
Sure, turning 3 lights off.
There is the night vision turned on automatically. I'm gonna step back here. 10 to 12 feet away from the actual camera. For how close I'm sitting, it still has a pretty good wide angle. So it's not a crazy wide angle. Hopefully you can still hear me. And what you're looking at right now, 720p, and this is with the light on. This is to turn off the notifications. Here is to set the motion detections. This is to go back and look at all the events that was happening. This is on the day. Obviously, only today is going to have stuff. And you can go to the delete. Proceed to delete the device. We don't want to delete the device. What's also nice about these wireless Wi-Fi cameras, if your power goes out, this won't. So you'll always have that security. If the battery's low, it'll tell you in the app, so you can recharge it whenever you feel like. So there you guys have it. If you want one for yourself, you already know what to do. Find the description down below. And as always, thank you for watching. And I will see you guys next time. Later. Now, where can I put this?